students, how are you all? Hope you are doing very good. Today, students, we are going to start our fifth chapter of class first, which is about the plants around us. Okay, see, what are plants, students? Plants are the green living organisms around us. Okay, see, plants grow all around us, and every plant is not of the same size. Some of them are big, others are small, some are strong and others are weak. तो plants हमारी चारों तरफ होते हैं, they grow all around us, है ना? And सभी plants same sizes के नहीं होते हैं. कुछ plants आपके काफी tall हैं, कुछ short होते हैं, कुछ plants strong हैं, and some are weak also. Okay, so that means we are having a different variety of plants around us. See, these are the different parts of a plant. You can see in this picture, this is a plant, and where they have shown you the different parts of a plant. Like this, it's a flower. ये क्या है? The green part is leaf. These are fruits. This is branch, जिसके through आपकी leaves या फिर fruits and flowers bear करते हैं. This part is known as stem, and the part which is under the ground is known as root. Now, the kinds of plant, different kinds के plants क्या होते हैं? The number one is big plants. The plants that are strong. ऐसे plants जो काफी strong and big होते हैं size में, इनको हम trees कहते हैं. Example, banyan, coconut, sandalwood. Okay, these all are the examples of trees. Now, trees have thick stem. Trees की जो stem होती है काफी thick and woody होती है, which is known as trunk. Okay, they have shown you the picture also of different trees like sandalwood, coconut, neem, banyan. Okay, chalo. Now, next is small plants. I told you सभी plants same size की नहीं होते हैं. So जैसे कि अभी हमने tall plants पढ़े, अब हम small plants के बारे में पढ़ेंगे. So the plants that are small in size, ऐसे plants जो क्या आपके size में छोटे होते हैं, लेकिन फिर भी they are strong. Okay, तो ऐसे plants को we call what? Shrubs. The plants which are small in size but still are strong, they are known as shrubs. Shrubs का जो look होता है वो bushy look होता है. Okay, ये इतने strong नहीं होते हैं जितने आपके trees होते थे. But they are strong, not as same strength they have as of trees. Example, rose, jasmine, henna. These all are the examples of shrubs. Now, some of the small plants that have soft green weak stems. अब कुछ ऐसे आपके small यानी कि छोटे ही plants होते हैं जिनकी जो stems होती हैं काफी soft and green stems होती हैं. They are known as herbs. Example, mint, coriander, grass. Okay, mint is pudina, coriander is dhania. I hope you all must have seen it. You can see in this example also. This is a mint, coriander, sunflower, grass. ये सभी आपके herbs के example हैं. ऐसे छोटे छोटे plants जिनकी stems काफी soft green होती है. Okay, chalo. Now, next is climbers. The plants that have weak stems. अब ऐसे plants जिनकी weak stems होती हैं and वो grow करते हैं with the help of a support. किसी support के through वो grow करते हैं. They are known as climbers. Example, grapevine, money plant, pea plant. These are examples of your climbers. इनको किसी wall की, किसी stick की या किसी भी दूसरे plant की support की requirement होती है to grow all around or to grow the upwards. Okay, they are known as climbers. Now next we come to creepers. Creepers also have weak stems. Creepers की भी जो stems होती है काफी weak होती है, लेकिन इनकी stems इतनी ज़्यादा weak है कि किसी support के through भी grow नहीं करते हैं. They only crawl on the ground. ये ground पे ही spread हो जाते हैं, ये ground पे ही grow करते हैं. Okay, and they are known as creepers. Example, watermelon, pumpkin. These are your examples of creepers. Okay, chale. Now, the next is aquatic plants. The plants that live and grow in water. अब वो plants जो आपके water में रहते हैं, water में ही grow करते हैं, they are known as aquatic plants. Example, water lily, lotus. Okay, ये आपके कुछ aquatic plants हैं जो कि पानी में ही live and grow करते हैं. Okay, chalo. So that's all for the chapter. We have discussed the different types of plants around us, and I hope the chapter was very clear to you. Let's meet very soon. Till then, take care and thanks to everyone.